show you guys my new apartment and tell you I have moved. Your girl is now in London. Living in London. I don't know, guys. Hello guys. Hi, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, your girl is living in Sunderland. Yeah. See my house. I've been packing for days. I don't know why. Let me move. And my stay in Sunderland has come to an end. I am so happy. I am tensed, but I'm grateful to God. So I've been packing my stuff gradually, but I have just a day. I want to pack my kitchen things, try to pack everything and sort it out. We'll do it together. But your girl is moving out of Sunderland to, I'll tell you guys where I'm going to. Where I and my husband will be relocating to, probably when we get there. Yeah, so I'm keeping you guys anyway. Probably by the title of the video you would know where we're moving to. Yep, I just wanted to tell you guys your girl is moving. So let's sort out my kitchen, pack everything. See, I've been so stressed. Packing is so stressful, but I just want to do everything today, know that I'm done with it. So let's pack my kitchen stuff. See, I've done some things. Let me show you guys. I've packed some things and right now I just want to sort out the kitchen stuff because that is what is left. Clean everywhere and yeah. And we would be done packing. So let's get right into it. Yeah, I'm excited, but I am so tensed and anxious. Well, we'll be fine.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real nigga from the ad, about to pay out. Spending time wind down with a stakeout. And when I'm in the walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
Fade out, fade out. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah. Told him that I gave him life, he said, right. Now we can leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you here for the ride.
Only for love, why your exes can't get enough. They trying in line, they down on their luck. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't pay them no mind, that's how we stay up. Niggas DM, don't know where to leave it. I post a pic, they comments be tweaking. Usually won't, but sometimes I read and even they read. I swear I can't please them all. But when it comes to you, I know how to handle that, boss. Even stay faithful while you was doing me wrong. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. chasing they all lanes. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
Ooh, yeah, 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 baby. No, no. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life. Cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened?
Guys, welcome to my new home. I just arrived here and we're going to do a empty house tour because the house is unkept. It really needs serious work, but I'll just show you around the house and how it looks like. And I'm so happy just to create my own space, my own design, and make this empty house, make it and turn it into my home. It's a 2-bedroom flat, and if you come in through the door, it has its own intercom where you communicate with whosoever is at the door and open the door for your guest. Yep. It has this corridor. Amazon just delivered some things for us. This whole corridor. The lighting isn't the best. I think I'll change the bulb. And it's like my storage for washing and the washing machine. The space. And this is one of the bedroom. This is the smallest bedroom. It has its own mirror and small bedroom and this curtain which I don't like, but yeah, this is the smallest bedroom. And then we'll move into the next bedroom. It's empty, so this would be my bedroom. What I like about the space is this door, the balcony. I love it. Like, the space is given. So that's the favorite thing in this room. I can't wait to style it, create it into my own style, because it's a lot. And then after my room, I'll show you guys the living room and the kitchen. So this is the living space, and it's also an open floor kitchen, just like the previous one I had. And I have all this cabinet, guys. all the cabinet to work with, which I am so excited. I think cabinet is one thing I picked this place, and it also has the stuff. It's burning the light, so I can open it, and I have my balcony. It leads, I don't want to shout. So it leads from the living room to my room, from my room to the living room, and let me show you the space that it has. I'm so happy. I think I would like this place during summer more when it's sunny and create so many things. I'm stressed because the house has some markings on the wall, but I think with proper scrubbing, I would need to do proper cleaning of the whole house. I think everything will turn out fine. It's quite spacious and it's big, and I have so many spaces to work with, and it's 2-bed, and yeah. See, when the sun is out, it would be giving, like the sun is entering my eye right now. And it's spoiling my video. Let me show you guys the balcony. This is what it looks like. So a little back space, I can create like sitting area. I think, yeah, I love it. And I can plant. I love planting, yeah, so can plant my flowers. So I'm happy. I have lots of space to work with. I'll take my time gradually just to turn it into a home and make it nice. So I have lots of space. Like I have my flower place, I have my balcony, I have this living area, the kitchen. It's a lot of work. I've been thinking. So I left Sunderland just to come pick up the key. My husband is on his way, just bringing up our stuff. We hired a moving van from Sunderland to London, so he's on his way bringing back the stuff. But this is my new apartment, guys, and I'm so happy. We're going to be styling it together as usual. I'll take you guys along the process gradually, because it's a lot. Because we had to sell almost all the property we had back in Sunderland, and right now it feels like we're starting from the scratch, buying furnitures and that. I think I'll go to IKEA and get some things for the house. Yep. I just wanted to show you guys my new apartment and tell you I have moved. Your girl is now in London. I know it feels weird. So I'm now in London and I'll be staying here. Hopefully it would serve me and my husband for the best, and everything will work out fine. Yep. I just wanted to show you guys. I don't know if I will end this vlog here, or honestly I don't know, because I want to do proper cleaning of the house. If I don't end the vlog here, I will attach like cleaning of the house and stuff, and then we'll start this vlog here. This is a new series. I think I want to do living in London. I don't know, guys. I've been talking too much, but I'm excited. Yep. See you guys later.